Good morning to all of you.
Morning, sir.
Okay. In Department of Zoology, Sri Mulika Devi Mahavidyalaya, Nigoj, Taluka Parner, District Ahmednagar. In last video lecture, we are learn the some basic concept used in classification. In that, for example, we are learn the types of
Sawadin.
taxonomy, then different types of taxonomy. Then we are also learn some classification, types of classification. Then we are learn, for example, some important uh, aspect regarding your systematic, then diversity, then your taxonomical types. In that we are learn classical taxonomy, then experimental taxonomy, that is called as neo-taxonomy, then cytotaxonomy, and last one we are learn the significance of taxonomy. Then I think last lecture we was start the systematic. Then what is the systematic, their sorry, their definition according to different scientists. This part is already described in last lecture. Then we are start the next important point, that is system of classification. In that we are studying artificial system, then natural system, then phylogenetic system of classification, then work and contribution of Carl Linus in system of classification. In that we are all the necessary information is already discussed with you. Then last point of last lecture, that is linear system of classification. In that we was observed some important aspect named as taxa and category. I think we are stop on here, that is taxonomic category. Now today we are start this point, what is the taxonomic category and types of taxonomic category. These systems are described and adapted by the Carl Linus, so it is called as linear system of classification. So let us start the what is the taxonomic category. In that we know the taxonomic category is there are different category in taxonomic hierarchy which are described as below. For example, first one, that is you can just observe, these are the important categories described by Carl Linus for the classification. That is kingdom. Then these are the second one phylum, third one class, then order, then family, genus, and species. These are the categories. They are particularly used for the classification purpose. So let us start the what is kingdom. You know, if you want to the classified the animals, that time it is necessary to divide the animals according to their morphological characters. So to me, imagine Kara, in front of you, you are observing n number of animals or any living organism. So actually it is very difficult task to separate out, to arrange the all the living organism in particular group or particular taxa. So that time Linus is the scientist, they find out some categories, they made up some categories. Using this category or this term, they are try to separate out this whole n number of organisms. So firstly they make a kingdom. Look at this, these are the kingdom. So kingdom काय आहे, what is the kingdom? the kingdom is the highest taxonomic category. It is the highest group of the animals. For example, in front of you, you are observing n number of the animals or living organism. That time you can choose one particular group of animals. They show some basic similarity by using external characters. Means simply you are observing your surrounding environment, you are observing some green plants, some domestic animal, some wildlife animals, some microscopic animals, some another living organism are present in your surrounding environment. So lineage is make a kingdom, that is, for example, they are make group of animals. They are movable from one place to the another place. That is make a kingdom of animals. This is the one criteria. समझ में आ रहा है क्या आपको कि तुमच्या समोर भरपूर लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम होते, त्यातले तुम्ही काय केले, यू कॅन जस्ट पिक अप movable animals. They are migrated from one place to the another place. They are kept in kingdom Animalia. Then second one, that is green plants. They are also show living characteristic, or these living organisms are not show the ability to move from one place to the another place. That time they are kept in kingdom Plantae. This is the way to separate out your animals by using the kingdom. समझ में आ रहा? So it is called as first division of living things. या सेंटेन्स चा अर्थ ते होतोय, the first division of living things in the classification. They are put in different kingdoms. For example, kingdom Animalia, kingdom Plantae, then kingdom Fungi, Protista, and Prokaryotes. लक्षात आले तुमच्या? Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one, that is very important, phylum. The phylum is a taxa included the phylum category, or the phyla, which are nothing but the subdivision of kingdom. For example, after the division of animals, you can separate out the animals, only animals. You can separate out fungi, you can separate out plants, protists, and prokaryotic organism. But after the division, we are finding some of the dissimilarity. अरे इसमें भी कुछ थोड़ा सा difference आ रहा. So that time, or there show also some dissimilarity. So using these characters, you can again separate out. पुन्हा separate करायचंय. Subdivision of kingdom Animalia. But after the whole observation of particular animals, we are finding some of the totally different, कि बहुत सारा difference दिख रहा है इनके अंदर. So that time they make the phylum. For example, phylum Purifera, phylum Arthropoda. These are the your phylums, Platyelementhes. N number of the phylums are present in kingdom Animalia. These are simply कि तुमच्या समोर you have the one insect and you have one larger size of the animals. लक्षात येते की आपण फक्त animals, living organism are separate out. They show the power of locomotion. मग तुमच्याकडे एक डोमेस्टिक एनिमल आहे आणि एक ग्रास हॉपर आहे. तुम्हाला एक एक्झाम्पल म्हणून सांगतो मी. You have the domestic animal named as cow, and second one you are again showing the locomotion power, that is grasshopper. But these two animals are totally different. They are belong to the same kingdom, परंतु त्यांचे external morphological characteristic is show a number of the dissimilarity. म्हणजे यांच्यामध्ये आपण एकाच फायलम मध्ये ठेवणार आहे का? No. It is kept in another phylum because it is very important to divide it, redivide it. कारण की एक फायलम कॉर्डेटाला बिलॉंग करतोय, एक फायलम इंसेक्टाला बिलॉंग करतोय. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फायलम. समझ में आ रहा? आर यू अंडरस्टैंड? ए बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give me reply also.
Yes, sir.
ऐकू नका. Next one, that is class. Again, after the detailed study of these animals, आपण animals वरती फोकस करतोय, because we are study the kingdom Animalia. समझ में आ रहा? Same situation are also happen in plantae, fungi, protist, prokaryotic. Another same problems are also present in this kingdom also. परंतु आपण एक kingdomला गृहीत धरू किंवा you are just kept in your mind, that is kingdom Animalia. आता class काय सांगतोय? Class is a subdivision of phylum. It is a basic category called as class or group in which superclasses, infraclasses are included. The classes are the best known taxa in kingdom Animalia. For example, order Carnivora includes the lion, cat are included in class mammals. समझ में आ रहा है क्या आपको? These are the again subdivision of phylum. की पुन्हा आपल्याला त्याचं डिव्हिजन करावं लागणार आहे, टू डिवाइड इट, बिकॉज अगेन दिस एनिमल शो सम डिसिमिलॅरिटी. सो यू वॉन्ट टू द सुपिरियर रिझल्ट, that time you are always divisible in particular class also. So for example, त्यांनी दिलं caste carnivora includes lion. In here you are easily observed, and cat are included in class mammals, mammalia. ठीक आहे, लक्षात आलंय तुमच्या? नेक्स्ट वन, order. Order is a category which include similar families, suborder, infraorder, and families. Example, it will be again redivided. For example, order Carnivora include family Canidae. लक्षात येते का? It is included similar families. It is, मी तुम्हाला मागच्या वेळेसच सांगितलेलं आहे, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू जस्ट विड्रॉ योर कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट, त्यावेळेस आपको क्या करना पड़ता है? टू मेक अ क्लॅडोग्राम ऑफ युअर फॅमिली. क्लॅडोग्राम्स वंशावळ म्हणतो आपण त्याला. टू मेक अ cladograms of your family. These cladograms give the whole detailed information of your family. Then you are again divided. This family is belong to the this way. ती एकच कोणता तरी एक superior ancestor होता. This superior ancestors is again show the dividation of your family. दॅट इज, तुमचे चुलते वगैरे आले, चुलत्यांना पुन्हा मुलं बाळ झाले, त्यांना मुलं बाळ झाले, मग तुमच्या फॅमिली पर्यंत आले. दिस आर द डिवायडेशन ऑफ युअर फॅमिली, बट ओरिजिन इज सेम. सो इन हियर यू कॅन ऑल्सो ऑब्झर्व टू सेपरेट आउट युअर एनिमल्स बाय युजिंग देअर कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक. समजले? दिस इज द इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू द युअर ऑर्डर. नेक्स्ट वन, that is very important, family. Family, it is containing one or more related genera. For example, आता इथे पहा, it is containing one or more related genera. It is very important sentence, means you are show the proper or closely related animals in your group of family, which is separated from the other related families by important characteristic. This is the just one common group of family. आपण याला म्हणतो ना की टू डिवायडेशन क्लोजली रिलेटेड आपले जवळचे पाहुणे किंवा जवळचे घरचे जे असतात दे आर क्लोजली रिलेटेड फॅमिलीज, दे शोईंग सिमिलर कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक. These animals are kept in family groups. For example, family Felinidae includes the tigers, lion, and all the cats belong to different genera. Family Canidae is include dog and fox. तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल. These are the carnivorous animals. But if आपण म्हणतो की मराठीमध्ये एक म्हण आहे, मांजर ही वाघाची कोण आहे? कोण आहे? हॅलो, कोण आहे? लामखडे, अरे लक्षात येते का तुमच्या? ए बच्चो, आर यू अंडरस्टँड? Tell me what is the difference? These all the animals are belong to the same family, but they show some different genera. Tiger, lion, आपण काय म्हणतो मावशी ती मीट, it shows the some same ancestors, but family Canidae includes that is dog and fox. These are the different, but they are similar characteristics, similar habitat. Carnivorous आहे, लक्षात येते. They are eating the another living organism. ते खाऊ शकतात, इतरांना मारून खातात, परंतु वेगळ्या जनरला बिलॉंग करतात किंवा जीनसला बिलॉंग करतात. These are the difference between your genre. ठीक आहे. Next important, that is genus. Genus, the first higher category above the species level, which is the genus, which is a group of related species. The genus has a position of special importance in classification. You know, genus is a very important category in classification. They are show a very close related species in genus level. समझ में आ रहा है क्या आपको? लक्ष्य देते का?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
हो सर.
By the rule of
Oh, sir.
binomial nomenclature, a species cannot be named unless as assigned to the genus. Genus means it is a very close related group of animals, and without genus you are not able to give the name of species. This is the very important task in classification. For example, if you are grouping to various genera, that time you are observing these genus are showing a particular characteristic. They are very different in another genus, because these are the principal tasks to divide the animals by using generic level features or generic level characteristic. If your organism show the similarity in the level of genus, that time it is called as correlated characteristic or correlated species, correlated animals. So they are kept in same genus. फॉर एक्झाम्पल नाव समटाइम हे आपल्याला शेवटचं एक्झाम्पल खूप महत्वाचं दिलेलं आहे. दे आर ओनली वन एक्झॅक्ट or important species. For example, sometimes genus may consist only one existing species. For example, modern man in the genus Homo. Homo is a genus. They are observed in modern man. जसे आपण म्हणतो की आपले जे पूर्वज होते ते एका पर्टिक्युलर अँस्टरला बिलॉंग करत होते. These ancestors are show some proper closely related characteristic. Then they are making or they are belonging to the one particular genus. So they are kept in one single genus. आलं लक्षात? Next, that is last point of this classification, that is species. Species means it is actually particular organism किंवा त्या स्पीसीजचं काय वेगळंपण आहे ते आपल्याला पाहिजे. समझ में आ रहा है क्या आपको? It is the most important category in the taxonomic hierarchy and it is considered as a basic unit of classification and process of evolution. Means if you are interested to classify the particular organism, to classify the particular species, that time it is necessary to study the above all the aspect. वरील सर्व आस्पेक्टचा आपल्याला अभ्यास करावा लागतोय. Then you are getting or you got the particular species. आता species काय सांगते? Species refer to group of organism that closely related or it will be show a very important characteristic, that is freely interbreeded in nature, or because this nature they show common ancestor. Means if you are observing n number of the animals, out of this you can select one proper species, and these species have the ability to interbreed or they showing the reproduction in particular group. Breeding procedure is completed in particular species, that is show the common ancestor, or they are showing a one particular past, म्हणजेच त्यांचा एक वेगळा भूतकाळ देखील आपल्याला दाखवतात. दे आर शोइंग सेम कॅटेगरी, दॅट इज स्पेसीज. दे आर कॉल्ड ॲज, you know, this is the last sentence, they are called as biological species. They are genetical species which are a group of interbreeding population and are reproductively isolated from the each other. Means the in this species they have the ability to interbreed, to take to start the mating with same species. So it is called as one proper group of animals, that is species. आणखी काही एक्झाम्पल आहे ते आपण पाहूया. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इन होमो सेपियन्स, इट इज नेम ऑफ ह्युमन बीइंग. आपलं मान, आपलं स्वतःच ह्युमन बीइंगचं नाव काय आहे? होमो सेपियन्स. सेपियन्स in the species of Homo, the species inhabiting different geographical area called as allopatric species, whereas those species which occupy the some geographical area called as sympatric species. Some species only show the morphological similarity known as morphospecies. Sibling species include group of very similar and closely related species. Then two or more subspecies are called polytrop. type species. Means if you are just looking this word Homo sapiens, that is our human being name, biological name, they are showing this type of the characteristic inhibiting different geographical area called as allopathic species. समजते का तुम्हाला की वेगळ्या एरियामध्ये गेले तर ते त्या एरियाचे किंवा त्या स्पीसीजला बिलॉंग करणारे. समझ में आ रहा? पर्टिकुलर geographical area, for example Maharashtrian, Kashmiri, then South India, all are the particularly belong to the Homo sapiens. सगळे ह्युमन बिंगच आहेत, परंतु दे आर शो सम कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक regarding their geographical areas, that is called as allopathic species. ठीक है. Next one, some are show sympatric, that is particularly they are belong to the particular geographical area, they are show some morphological similarity, that is morphospecies. Sibling species include group of very closely similar or related species. These are the whole information related to the species. I hope you are understand all the taxonomic category included in a system of classification described by Carl Linnaeus for the classification. लक्षात आले? Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any question?
No, sir.
Any question? काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे का?
Sir.
No. Okay. We will stop on here. Thank you very much.
Hi, sir.